Here she is. She's so beautiful. I'm so excited now. All right, it's day 1 of moving. T-minus
14 days.
14 days until the movers come. Maybe less. We're getting the keys tomorrow. This Saturday, we're just gonna go in, get a first look, move our small stuff, and then 2 weekends from now, the movers will come, do all the heavy lifting. We should have all our stuff out, and in between then, we are gonna pack up this place. Well, we're very sad. Bye, San Jose. But we're gonna start day 1 of packing. First up, trinkets and wall stuff. Let's go.
Oh shit. Yeah, me more money. We got more dollars in here than coins. That's it.
Nice. Hi everyone, exciting stuff. As you can see, we got the keys, or at least I did. I came during my lunch break to finally pick up the keys to our new apartment. It's official, we are moving in, and all I did today was pick up our keys. We really aren't gonna start moving and living here for another 2 weeks. I brought over just a few things that we packed just to slowly bring things over. We're gonna come back on Sunday to bring over some more stuff, maybe clean up the place first, do a pre-move-in inspection, and then that'll give us 1 more week to just pack everything up at our old place, and then hopefully sleep here for the first night on the 17th. Here she is, she's so beautiful. I'm so excited now. I was really nervous and stressed and sad about moving, but now that we have the keys to this place, I'm more excited. And I'm just glad we found a unit that we really like. I do have to get back to work, but let's also just do a really, really quick empty apartment tour. So this is the entryway, and then all we have here is a entryway closet. We have our main living room and dining room area. So we have the living room right over here, comes with a fireplace. I am indifferent about this. I could have gone without it, but it's fine. A nice living room space. I think it is a bit smaller than our other living room, but I do think it's giving a little more cozy home vibes. So I'm excited about that. Here is the dining room space. This is the first time we actually might be able to buy a dining table. And what I really love is that since we are on the top floor, we have vaulted ceilings. I actually really pushed for us to sign with a unit that was on the top floor because only the top floors have vaulted ceilings. Otherwise, this would just be cut by a few feet, probably where that doorway, the ceiling would end there, maybe here. I don't really know. When we toured, we viewed a top floor and I was like, oh my gosh, I love the vaulted ceilings. And then the unit we were originally gonna sign with was a second floor. And then I kind of was like, I don't know, just the tour really sold me with the vaulted ceilings. I was able to convince Russ to sign with a unit on the top floor. 1, for the vaulted ceilings, and 2, this actually is an older building. This is not a luxury building. So I also tried to argue that if we were not on the top floor, we would definitely be hearing footsteps a lot more and just all the noise from our upstairs neighbors. So it kind of works out. Got my vaulted ceilings, we got no neighbors above us, and the only trade-off was that the base rent was higher than other units with the same floor plan, but it's fine. We're already saving so much from our old place. Okay, but let's continue. Here is the kitchen. I love how renovated it is. Once again, a little bit smaller than our old apartment, but I still really love the appliances. No gas stove though, sad, but the fridge is really nice. And then what's really cool is they have a huge pantry. I will say, for less square footage, this place has a lot of storage, which is exactly what we need. And then in here, we have our laundry room, an actual room that we can step in, very cool. And then some more storage cells, but this is very nice too. And then I'm not gonna fully go out here, but this is our patio, and there is a super large storage unit. I actually think the storage unit here is a lot bigger than the one in our current apartment. So that is also another plus. I feel like we'll be able to just put a lot of stuff that we have lying around in our apartment right now in that storage unit. So this apartment will hopefully look a lot less cluttered. Oh yeah. And then we have the bathroom. Pretty standard. I won't dive into there. Good counter space, lots of storage. So yeah. And then we have the bedroom. Look at all of this beautiful natural light. I'm so excited to decorate and sleep in here. We have a walk-in closet. Thank goodness, because I don't know where I would fit my clothes if we did not have the space. So that is the bedroom. Exciting stuff. So that was a quick empty apartment tour. I'm sure I'm going to show just so much more of our moving process throughout the next few weeks. And then I believe the square footage for this place is 760. Our current apartment is 780. So we are losing out in square footage, but it doesn't feel like it just because there's just so much storage, and like there's a laundry room, the storage unit is huge. We have a full walk-in pantry. So it's kind of weird that it's smaller square footage because I feel like we have more space for storage. If anything, I think what we're losing out in square footage is like the living room area, but we also do get a dining room area. So, and then in terms of rent, the base rent for this place is $2,600. I know some of you might be saying that's still very expensive. Don't forget, we are in the Bay Area, so rent is just crazy up here. But Russ and I are literally paying like $35 right now. So after we did the math, we are probably gonna be saving $700+ a month by moving. And trust me, that is making me the most excited for this upcoming year, is saving money. The things we're losing out on more so are like amenities. The pool is okay. The gym is not as nice as our current one. They have a clubhouse, no rooftop. Essentially, this is not a luxury apartment. So that's why I think our monthly price is just so much cheaper. And I also will say location. We are no longer in San Jose. We are living more in like Milpitas area. So location definitely comes into play with the price. I think Russ and I are in agreement that yes, luxury living is very nice. The amenities are nice. The modern look of apartments is really nice. But I think what we value more right now is saving money, point blank, nothing else. So I'm just really happy that we found an apartment that like hit all our boxes in terms of the unit, and that it's still clean, renovated, in a safe community. That's just making me so excited. It's making me a little less stressed when it comes to moving this next 2 weeks. It's official. We got the keys. I'm gonna get back to work now, and I'll see you when we start moving more things. made it to our
New crib.
New crib. We brought a lot of stuff that we could bring. We're gonna clean before we start putting things away.
And then get dinner.
Get dinner. We're gonna do a move-in inspection too. We should do that first. But
let's go 2026.
Big things. Oh man. No. Such a funny vlog. I can't. been moving things back and forth for the last 2 weeks. But it's been going pretty well. I think we are like 90%
very close.
moved in. All the small stuff. Tomorrow night is our last night at Lynn Haven. Sad, but
it's a new beginning.
New beginnings. Very excited to finally have our first night here on Saturday. I feel like this past 2 weeks, especially because we've just been bringing so much stuff, we're like, we just want the furniture in here already.
We just
like,
want to stay here now.
We're just ready. But I think it was a good call for us to pay double rent and just slowly move things in.
Not feel rushed.
Yeah, honestly, I feel like it wasn't as stressful as I anticipated and scared myself into thinking it was gonna be. So, we've been doing a good job. I think I'm gonna end.
Sorry.
I think I'm gonna end. I think I'll end the video here. And this was just part 1 of our moving series. In the next one, it'll be move-in day. vacation, probably our first week, and then the Philippines. But thanks for watching as always. Watching us move.
Bye.
I hope we don't do this again next year.
Maybe.
We'll see. Pantry. Lots of stuff already. Freezer. Fridge. Nice, nice, nice. Some condiments.